In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Leonardo AI, a generative AI platform that's become one of the most talked about tools for creating images, motion clips, and other visual assets with artificial intelligence. Whether you're an artist, a game developer, a graphic designer, a marketer, or someone who loves experimenting with AI art, Leonardo AI promises a powerful set of creative tools right from your browser or mobile app. Today, I'll break down what it actually does, how well it works, and what you should expect if you decide to use it for your projects. Leonardo AI's core strength is its image generation capability. With a text prompt, you can instantly generate high-quality visuals across a wide range of styles, from photorealistic renders to stylized illustrations using different AI model variants. The platform also has a built-in interactive workspace known as the AI Canvas, where you can refine, edit, and extend your creations, and even incorporate sketches into your prompts to guide the output. Many users find that this combination of generation and fine-tuning makes Leonardo feel more like a creative studio than just a simple text-to-image generator. Another standout feature is the ability to train custom models. This means you can upload your own images to teach Leonardo a specific art style or visual theme, which is particularly useful if you're working on a brand project or need consistency across a series of assets. Custom training boosted this tool above many other AI platforms that only produce generic results, and it's something professionals and teams especially appreciate. Leonardo also offers motion tools that can take static images and create short, looping animations. These aren't full-length video editors. They're best suited for short motion clips that you can use in social media posts or concept previews, but they add another creative dimension to the platform's capabilities. Such motion generation features aren't commonplace in every AI art tool, and they broaden what you can do without switching to separate video software. Like many AI creative platforms, Leonardo AI uses a token-based system for generation work. You can start with a free tier that gives you daily credits to experiment with basic image creation and community models, which is great for beginners or casual users. Once you outgrow that, paid plans offer larger token allowances, private creations, enhanced quality options, upscaling tools, and the ability to train more custom models ranging from hobbyist plans to professional or team packages. Depending on how much you generate, these subscription levels can unlock significant creative power. With all that said, real-world user experience isn't entirely perfect. Some users report that prompt following can be inconsistent, depending on the model you choose, and free users may feel limited by credit constraints or the need to upgrade to access key features. Others have discussed occasional technical quirks or challenges with customer support and interface changes. It's also worth noting that while the motion tools add value, they're not a substitute for dedicated video editing platforms if you need longer or fully fledged animations. Overall, Leonardo AI offers an impressive suite of creative tools that cater to a broad spectrum of users, from beginners exploring AI art to professionals needing versatile image generation and custom model training. If you're producing visual assets and want a platform that balances ease of use with advanced features, Leonardo AI has a lot to offer. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Leonardo AI or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.